First, Nota. So Nota has been released on 5,000 rand bail after spending a weekend in police custody. He had handed himself over to the police on Friday afternoon. Why would you hand yourself over to the police on Friday afternoon? Wrong day, guys. It's a wrong day because you're going to spend a weekend in police custody. Why not the Monday? Why not the Tuesday? But anyway, he's facing a charge of rape after Itumeleng Bokaba, who is an artist and also an actress. She accused him of rape. She opened the case at the Douglasdale police station. Nota is now going to return to the court on the 9th of November, where all the WhatsApp messages that have been trending all over social media will be examined. So we're just hoping for justice. And kudos to Nota for also handing himself over. And also kudos to Itumeleng Bukaba for opening a case if she felt violated. Kudos to her. It's good that people are coming out to speak out if they feel violated. We still want to follow this case to see where it ends, because there's always two sides to the story with these kind of stories. But anyway, that's all I had for you guys. See you again in the next upload.